So guys, finally the pie, the last one is also ready.
Good food made in a clean environment.
Look at that.
Good food, Hilda's kitchen. Or your deep and purple, or your good food. Hilda's kitchen, good food. Hilda's kitchen, or your deep and purple. Hilda's kitchen. Good food.
And now, my Facebook family, I love you all guys. So we're going to start. When you come, give me the thumbs up, share. Oh, into you, melon. Namzaya Hilda's kitchen. I said I've grown a new ambulance. One man, one tap. Listen. Before we are coming to prepare our filling, which we have over here. We've got some onion, carrots, mushroom. I love mushroom. Bell pepper already washed, and some beans over here, and some spice blend, salt to taste, and corned beef. You can use any meats. You can even do it without meats. So first of all, I am going to dice my onion. Just cut them into any shape that you think is going to be good for you to go into your filling. Okay. So this is our onion. We've diced it very nice, very beautiful. Yeah. So we are going to add some oil. Use any oil of your preference. Going to add in our carrots. People who don't eat milk, very colorful, nice one. As for me, I need to bed Guys, this is the mushroom. Cut it into any style that you prefer. One. And this is the corned beef. Our veg. At this time, you need to minimize the heat. As you know, corned beef tend to stick under the pan so easily. Blend kakrebi, just to give that, shish with the taste as well, man. Okay. So I won't allow it to cook too soft. I want it like a bit crunchy kind of style. We need to taste it before we add salt. Mind you, whenever you are cooking with something that contains salt, don't just put the salt in. Make sure you taste it first. So now I've turned off the heat, nothing there. So I will leave it aside. Mind you, even whilst the vegetable is resting, it's still cooking because it's hot. It's very, very hot. So we are now going to allow it to cook. So this is my onion. I want to get it out of the way. Everything is being washed already. Just trying to blend it. And then we'll come back. Surely. Small onion. This is 3 small onion and I'm blending it. This whole pack. I'm using this whole pack. So life can be easier for you. I don't want to divide it like the last time. This is a whole pack. And this is from my best supermarkets, Aldi. Okay. So first of all, we are going to sieve our flour. Some people call it all-purpose flour or soft flour. So after sieving your plain flour, you just make sure you mix it in a bowl where you'll be able to go around it very easily, because we are going to add a lot of things. So bowl or we put this one aside. So because we are not going to use evaporated milk or whole milk, this is another option. Some people, they don't drink normal milk, but they can have nido or like milk powder. This is optional. This is optional. Our aim is that today we are not using any milk. Okay, so this is optional. You can choose not to add. It's optional. So this is milk powder. I'm just adding in my milk powder. So today the pie is the sister. You can use 1 scoop, 1 teaspoon, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I've got Remy chicken seasoning. I love Remy chicken seasoning. Okay, tell them they should come and pay me, because I've been advertising for them more than 5 to 6 years now, and no one is paying me. So tell them. So they are using 2. And the reason is that, you know, we are not using butter. And as we all know, butter contains some amount of salt. So when you are using butter, in my previous video, make sure you use 1 or half. Yeah. So this is baking powder. It's baking powder, still optional. If you are not comfortable, don't use it. Because if you use too much, this is kind of half a teaspoon. Half. It's about 5 grams, not too much. Yeah. Today we are using oil, which is vegetable oil. You can use olive oil. You can use fried oil wherever you are able to use some cocoa. As far as you are happy with it, just go with it. And we are going to use 480 grams. 480 grams. So it's 200 grams. Okay, 200 grams. 200 grams. Not 400, because I bake a lot, I cook a lot. It's 200 grams. Okay, so first of all, let's mix all this very well. Let's add in our 200 grams of vegetable oil. 200 grams of vegetable oil. Operating very well, and I'm kind of incorporate and adding. Brofono is finished. So over here we have plain flour, 1,500 grams or 1.5 kg, all-purpose flour, plain flour or soft flour is the same thing. And we have 14 grams of salt. We have milk powder, which is optional. And then we also add in baking powder. And now we've mixed it very well. Look at it. Looking absolutely nice. So after mixing it very nicely, the next thing is your water or your liquid. Okay, today I am using onion, which is optional. If you want to add in some flavor, I blended 3 mini onions, which is here. Normally your liquid should be 500 ml. 500 ml is the mini cup. This is the mini cup. You can tell the water and the onion, they've separated themselves. Okay, so I am adding it. I keep saying, for you to be sure, make sure you go in a bit at a time. The dough, it looks very nicely soft, not too butter, but it looks like benku kind of texture. That okay? That's the aroma. The aroma looks really, really nice. Don't forget to turn your oven on. Preheat the oven.
Made in clean environments.
Just using water. So this is it, as you can see. My bonamade tree. So I'm just trying to seal it now. You can tell how nice and simple. All that you do is you do any shape you prefer, any shape at all, any shape at all will do. So this is it now. I line them there very nicely. Doesn't look very oily. They look very nice, very relaxed. Let's go. This is egg and milk, just to give it a bit of shining on top. Yeah, if you don't eat egg, you can use only milk. If you don't eat milk, you can use only eggs. Okay. So this is it, very nicely. Going to put them in the oven because we've already preheat our oven. There you go. I've tried my best to fit everything in nicely. Now going to do the egg wash. Oh, oh, baby, fire now, yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, fire now, yeah, go there, we see. Yeah, you know that's not that, yeah. Horrible, 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 voila. Wow, this is beautiful. Look, amazingly wonderful. Amazingly wonderful. It looks absolutely nice. Wow. Hey, nice and sharp. Then come on, look. Wow. Wow. Very nice. On show. Look at that.